Okay, and we also covered the topic of vectors because vectors, the topic of vectors will be required for solving, approaching, and solving the problems of motion in 2 dimensions. Now, we will also have some mm, rough idea about motion in 3 dimensions also. It is just an extension of motion in 2 dimensions, but most of the problems will be based in 2 dimensions. Okay, we'll just see, like of 2 or 3 problems that are related to motion in 3 dimensions, but most of the chapter, 95% of the chapter will be dealing with motion in 2 dimensions. Now, before going into this topic, let me recall you one concept, the concept of relative motion. Remember?
Yes, sir.
So, we studied relative motion and we did some problems based on relative motion uh, under the category of motion in 1 dimension, right? Now, suppose a car is moving with 40 kilometer per hour. Another car is moving in the same direction with 10 kilometer per hour. Let us call these cars car A and car B. So this is car A and this is car B. Now, how do we write velocities or speeds of these cars? Velocity of car A is written like this: VA equals to 40 kilometer per hour. And what is VB? 10
10
kilometer
kilometer per hour.
hour. Now, these velocities VA and VB are with respect to what? Hmm? These velocities VA and VB are with respect to what? Tell me.
Sir, ground.
These are with respect to ground, right? So I'm writing that. So VA, comma VB are with respect to ground. Now, what is velocity of A with respect to B? Velocity of A with respect to B is written like this. Or speed, let us talk about speed. Okay, speed of A with respect to B. The speed of A with respect to B is written by VAB. And what is VAB equal to? Tell me. VAB,
VA minus VB.
VA minus VB. With respect to whatever we have with respect to that, we have to just subtract. Clear? Okay. So with
Yes, sir.
respect to B, you subtract with velocity of B. So what will be the velocity of B with respect to B? Tell me. What will be the velocity of B with respect to B? How to write that?
VB minus VB.
Yes. So velocity of B with respect to B is written like this: V, B, B This is velocity of B with respect to B, or speed. Let us talk about speed here. Speed of B. Okay, let us just, instead of speed, let us use velocity only. Okay, because we are interested in directions also. So velocity of B with respect to
B.
B. Just give me a second. Okay, with respect to B is given by what? VBB equals to VB minus
VB.
which is equal to 0. Clear? Now, what is velocity of A with respect to B according to the given numbers?
30.
VAB equals to VA is 40 minus 10 kilometer per hour, which is equal to 30 kilometers per hour. Clear? Okay. Now let me just repeat the situation. What is velocity of B with respect to A?
VB minus VA.
VBA equals to VB minus VA. So this is velocity of B with respect to A. B with respect to A. So what is VBA? Tell me. It is
Minus 30.
10 minus 40, which is equal to minus 30. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is VBA. Now you got minus 30 here, you got plus 30 here. What do you mean by plus 30 and minus 30 here? You got plus 30 here and you got minus 30 here. So what do you mean by that?
Opposite direction.
No, according to opposite direction of course, but according to B, A will be moving towards right with 30, right?
Yes, sir.
According to A, B will be moving towards left with 30. That is the meaning of minus 30. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now, if someone is sitting in car A, what will be the direction of car B? Towards left or towards right?
Towards right.
Towards left, na. It will be going back according to their car. According to car A, car B will be going in the backward direction. So for them it is backward direction, for us it is towards left, right? See, if someone is sitting in car A, he will observe that car B is moving in the backward direction with 30, right?
Yes.
So it is towards left for us according to our diagram. You're getting my point? So according to someone in car A, car B will be moving in this direction with 30. That means we write it as minus 30. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. What about this? If suppose B is going in this direction with 10 meters per 10 kilometer per hour, then what will you do? VB will take as
Minus 10.
minus 10. Why?
Because
Because
it is in opposite direction.
yeah, according to Cartesian coordinates, everything on the towards right is positive, everything towards left is negative. Everything in the upward direction is positive, everything in the downward direction is negative. Clear? So everything is same except here. What will you get? 40
50.
minus
50.
minus 10. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Which is equal to how much? 50 kilometers per hour. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the velocity of A respect to B? Let us see. So same situation. Velocity of A with respect to B. Just now we did A with respect to B, right? Yeah. So we need velocity of B with respect to A now. We need velocity of B with respect to A. Yeah, here. Yeah. So what will it be? What will you take velocity of B as? Tell me.
Minus 10.
Minus 10. And what will be velocity of A?
Minus 40.
No. It is plus 40 only. See. Velocity of A is plus 40 only, but according to the formula, it is VB minus VA. VB is minus 10, VA is 40. It is
40.
40, not minus 40, 40. So that minus sign is there in the expression, not in the value of VA. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So you will get kilometer per hour. So what will you get? Minus 50
50.
kilometer per hour. Clear? Now, it is very clear that always VBA will be equal to minus VAB. Clear? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, now let us go to motion in 2 dimensions and we'll apply this concept. So relative motion in 2 dimensions. Okay, let me draw one umbrella first. Now suppose no, this problem deals with rain and umbrella. Suppose some person is going in rain and he has to hold an umbrella. How he should hold his umbrella? That is what problem is dealing with. Clear? So here you have your umbrella like this. So just let me. Okay. So suppose this is your umbrella. Okay. No. Okay. Now, some person is going in rain and he has to hold umbrella. In which direction should he hold his umbrella? That is the question. Okay. So let us just save this. Okay. Now, look at this problem. There is some rain in vertical direction. First case, suppose rain is falling in vertical direction. So let me write down like this. So rain is falling like this in vertical direction. Let the velocity of rain be 10 meters per second. Let it be 10 meters per second. Okay. Now, suppose there is a ground here, and on ground someone is walking. So this is ground, and someone is walking on ground in say right direction. He is walking in right direction like this, and the speed of that man is 5 meters per second. What is the speed of the man? 5 meters per second. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me how he should hold his umbrella according to just general understanding.
Upwards.
Suppose he is standing, he will hold his umbrella vertically. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me just take that case first. I'll take this case second. So suppose he is at rest. At rest, he holds his umbrella vertically. Why? Why? Tell me. Why he holds his umbrella vertically? Tell me.
The rain is falling vertically.
Rain is falling vertically. That's why he will hold his umbrella vertically. Now suppose he is walking with 5 meters per second in the right direction here, according to us. How should he hold his umbrella? You tell me. Tell me. Now he is walking in this direction with 5 meters per second. How should he hold his umbrella? Tell me. No, just tell me a general answer. Generally, how they hold them.
A little slant.
Sorry?
Tilted, sir. Tilted, sir. Tilted.
In which direction?
Front direction.
Right side.
Right, sir.
That means towards the front of the man, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
He will hold his umbrella somewhere towards the right of the man. So, okay. So this is how he holds. Now, how to do this problem? See, this is velocity of rain. This is velocity of rain. And because we are dealing with directions, I'm writing it in vector form. Last time when cars were moving, that was in one dimension. So only positive and negative directions were there. So there was no issue about the directions. Here we have to deal with the directions. Clear? Now, what is velocity of man? V m bar. So this is the velocity of man. Okay. Now, the man will always hold his umbrella in the direction of relative speed of rain with respect to him. Clear? You are getting my point?
Yes.
The umbrella must be held in the direction of velocity of rain with respect to man. Clear? Are you understanding? So relative velocity जो भी है उस direction में umbrella you have to hold. So let me write down what is velocity of rain with respect to man. So it is obviously written as VRM. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So VRM. So what is VRM according to our formulas? VR
Minus VM.
Minus VR.
Minus VR.
Okay, fine. Now tell me what is VR according to this diagram. VR
10.
कैसे लिखेंगे?
10 meter per second.
But वेक्टर फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? Tell me. वेक्टर फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? Tell me. Fast.
10 bar.
No. Minus 10 J cap. You forgot. Right?
Yes, sir.
What about V man?
5 I cap.
5 I cap. Clear? So velocity of rain with respect to man is what?
Minus 10 J cap. Minus 5 I cap.
Okay, write in order. Minus 5 I cap. Minus 10 J cap. Clear? Okay. Now this will give us both magnitude and direction of rain. Clear? Direction of rain. Completed? Rain. Bolo. Complete the sentence.
With
Umbrella.
respect to man.
With respect to man. It gives us both magnitude and direction of rain. Direction of speed of rain with respect to man is the more appropriate thing, right? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Direction of the speed or the velocity बोलेंगे. Velocity of rain with respect to man. This is more appropriate. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, generally, how they hold umbrella? Generally, how they hold umbrella? Vertically, right? Generally, they hold it vertically. Generally, umbrella is held vertically. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So this is the vertical direction. Now, always you, unless or otherwise mentioned in the question, if we ask what is the direction of umbrella or what is the angle that umbrella makes, you always take that angle from vertical. Why do you take that angle from vertical? Why? Because generally umbrella is held
Vertical.
in vertical direction. So you take the angle also from vertical direction only. Clear? Are you understanding my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is the angle. Now how to find that angle? Tell me. One thing is sure, the direction of umbrella is same as direction of rain with respect to man, right? Clear? So what is the direction of rain with respect to man? This is the rain, right? This is the direction of rain with respect to man. So tell me what is the direction? बोलो ये डायरेक्शन क्या है? बोलो.
Tan also fixed by
This is theta, right? Now this vector has two components. One is this component, the other is this component. ये येलो वाला component क्या है बताना? येलो वाला minus 10 j cap है ना? right?
Yes, sir.
So I think I'll just better make it this little longer just for clarity. Yeah. हाँ बोलो, ये येलो वाला क्या है 10 और ये ग्रीन वाला क्या है 5? समझ में आई बात?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि वो -10j कैप है और ये 5i कैप है, -5i कैप है. देखो, दिस इज -5i कैप हियर एंड दिस इज -10j कैप हियर. समझ गए? तो ये -10j कैप है और ये -5i कैप है. So this is the angle theta. But tell me, this if this is theta, this is also theta. This is also theta.
Yes.
Why? Why this is also theta? बोलो बोलो. Why this is theta?
Interior angles.
Alternating. तो बोलो, what is tan theta equal to here? Opposite side, which is how much?
5.
10.
Opposite side theta का देखो देखो
5.
5, 5.
5, sir.
5/10.
by 10 which is equal to 1 divided by 2. तो थीटा क्या हो जाएगा? Tan inverse of 1 by 2. This is the answer. Clear? So this is the angle at which the man should hold his umbrella. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अगर थोड़ा complicated है problem तो कैसे करें? Let us see. Suppose this is the problem. Suppose rain is not falling vertically. Suppose it is falling with at an angle say 30 degrees. Okay. So let us just change this. तो ये जो रेन का एंगल है ना वो 30 डिग्रीज विथ वर्टिकल है ऐसे. ठीक है. तो वेलोसिटी ऑफ मैन इधर लिख देते हैं. ठीक है, चलेगा ना? ओके. सो वेलोसिटी ऑफ रेन इज इन दिस डायरेक्शन ऑलरेडी. ओके. तो अभी अम्ब्रेला कैसे होल्ड करेगा? और भी टिल्टेड डायरेक्शन में होल्ड करना पड़ेगा, राइट? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
He has to hold it like this. Why? Because when he moves in forward direction, वो जो inclination है रेन का और भी बढ़ जाएगा. ठीक है? Clear?
Yes, sir.
तो इसके दो कंपोनेंट्स है. किसके? रेन के. एक ये और एक ये. Clear? What was this angle?
30.
ये एंगल था 30 डिग्रीज, राइट? अगर ये 30 डिग्रीज है तो पिंक वाला कंपोनेंट क्या होगा? बोलो. 10 cos 30. Do you agree? And this cyan component will be 10 sin 30. Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what is 10 cos 30? कितना हो गए? cos 30 कितना है?
√3/2.
√3/2.
तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 5√3. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
कैसे आया 5√3? बोलो.
2 और 10 को काट के 5 √3.
ओके. √3/2 2 और 10 कट जाएगा और 5 हो जाएगा. क्लियर? Okay. What about 10 sin 30?
Sir,
Five.
5.
5. How did you get?
10 into
Sine 30 is 1 by 2.
2.
Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 10 is 5. Clear? Okay. Now tell me what is velocity of rain? Bolo. Bolo. So I'll not write vectors here. It will be confusing. I'll just mention it like this here. I'll mention it like this here. हाँ बोलो. Velocity of rain बोलो क्या है? In vector form. जल्दी बोलो.
Minus 10 j cap.
Minus 10. No. Minus 10. No. देखो क्या है अब हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट्स क्या है देखो
√3.
Sir, minus
हाँ
by root j cap
-5 I cap -5
√3 j.
3.
√3 j cap. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. What about velocity of man? Bolo. Velocity of man is simple because he is already walking in horizontal direction. Bolo. Jaldi bolo. What is velocity of man?
Five.
What is velocity of man?
5 I cap.
5 I cap. It is simple. Why? Because he is moving in horizontal direction. So we need not take the components. If something is not in horizontal direction, we have to take horizontal and vertical component. Horizontal component का I cap होगा, vertical component का J cap होगा. ठीक है? अगर राइट में है तो I cap पॉजिटिव होगा, अगर लेफ्ट में है तो I cap नेगेटिव होगा. ठीक है? अगर ऊपर है तो J cap पॉजिटिव होगा, नीचे होगा तो J cap नेगेटिव होगा. क्लियर? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now we need velocity of rain with respect to man. We need velocity of rain with respect to man. बोलो क्या है velocity of rain with respect to man? जल्दी बोलो.
VR minus VM.
VR minus VM always simple. VR minus VM with respect to जो भी करोगे उसको subtract करो. Clear? तो क्या होगा?
Yes, sir.
VR minus VM.
Minus 5
Minus
√3
10 I
J cap.
cap. Minus 5 √3 j cap.
Minus 5 I cap minus 5 root 3 J cap
J cap.
minus 5 I cap.
5 I cap.
So what is VRM? I'm not writing units, but you know there are units. We are just ignoring them. Clear? Meter per second है units, but we are not writing just for the sake of. Minus 10 I cap minus 5 root 3 J cap. Clear? तो velocity of rain with respect to man draw करेंगे कैसे होगा? तो velocity of rain with respect to man, if we draw, it will be something like this. Do you agree? It will be something like this. इसका ये component कितना होगा? और ये component कितना होगा? बोलो. Yellow component कितना होगा? 5?
√3
√3.
Now tell me why am I not writing minus here? ये जो 5 root 3 लिखा मैंने ये minus, why am I not writing here?
Because the arrow is down.
Because arrow is already giving you that information, that's why I am not writing minus. अगर फिर से minus लिखूंगा तो उसका उल्टा हो जाएगा, इसलिए minus नहीं. इधर क्या होगा?
Minus 10.
No, 10 only, because that arrow will give you the negative this thing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
अगर एरो नहीं है तो ठीक है. You're understanding my point? So what is this angle? So this is the angle in which rain is falling. So umbrella भी वही direction में पकड़ना पड़ेगा, right? Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Umbrella also should be held in the same direction. See, like this. Yeah, it is little bit. अभी करेक्ट है ना? तो अम्ब्रेला का डायरेक्शन क्या रहेगा बोलो? यही रहेगा ना? ये अम्ब्रेला का डायरेक्शन है. क्लियर? So this angle will be same as this angle.
Yes, sir.
These two angles will be equal. So tell me what is theta, tan theta equal to? बोलो. Tan theta equals to? Tell me what is opposite side?
10.
10. Adjacent side to theta?
5√3.
5 root 3.
5
So which is equal to after simplification? 2 by
Root 3.
root 3, right? So what is theta equal to? Tan inverse of 2 by root 3. Clear? Clear until here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now same problem I'll give you, but little bit different situation. Just try to do. So everything is same, but this time the man is moving in the opposite direction. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Okay, suppose he is moving in this direction with 5 meters per second. Okay. Now, just without doing mathematically, tell me how will be the orientation of umbrella? ये umbrella कैसे पकड़ेगा अभी? टिल्ट ज्यादा करेगा या कम करेगा? See, if he is standing, he will tilt in the direction of that yellow vector, correct? If he is at rest, because that is how he is standing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I'll write that also. I'll write that also. So, if he is at rest, if the man is at rest, how does he hold?
Vertically.
He must, no, just tell, think and tell. He must hold his umbrella at an angle of
30.
30 degrees with vertical towards right. समझ में आया? टुवर्ड्स किसका राइट, उसका राइट या हमारा राइट? आवर राइट, समझ गए? क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
if he walks in the left direction, अच्छा, अगर वो रेन के डायरेक्शन में वॉक कर रहा है, रेन के अगेंस्ट वॉक कर रहा है, तो एंगल बढ़ेगा कि कम होगा?
बढ़ेगा.
If he walks against rain, the angle increases. क्लियर? जो लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में हुआ था, देखो एंगल इंक्रीज हो गया. समझ में आई बात?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are sitting on a two-wheeler and it is raining. You'll hold umbrella, relatively vertically. But if you are going on a two-wheeler holding an umbrella, you will tilt your umbrella and hold, right, in the front. तो यही हुआ यहाँ पे, टिल्ट करके होल्ड करना पड़ा. क्लियर? किसके डायरेक्शन में? उसके फ्रंट डायरेक्शन में टिल्ट करना पड़ा उसको. हमारे लिए राइट में टिल्ट कर रहा है. ठीक है? ओके
Yes.
ओके. हियर if he walks along the rain, अब बोलना. But if he walks along the rain, the angle
Decreases.
क्या होगा? Decreases. कैसे पता? कॉमन सेंस है. ठीक है? क्योंकि it was raining behind that man's back and he is walking. Clear? तो जब वो when he was standing, he will hold umbrella tilted in the backward direction because rain is falling from his back. Clear? But as he is walking, he should start tilting his umbrella in the front side. So it was already tilted backward. So what will happen? Angle will decrease. समझ गए? और कुछ टाइम के बाद वर्टिकल हो जाएगा एंगल, और तेज जाएगा तो सामने टिल्ट करना पड़ेगा. क्लियर? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
And in this problem, I am giving you already a hint that he will have to hold his umbrella vertically. Why? Let us see. इसको umbrella vertically hold करना पड़ेगा. क्यों? देखते हैं. अब बोलना, what is velocity of rain? What is velocity of rain? According to this, बोलो. बोलो.
10 meter per second.
No, don't tell me 10 meter per second. Don't tell me 10 meter per second. Tell me in vector.
Minus 5 I cap.
Ah,
Minus 5 root 3 j cap.
minus 5 I cap minus 5 root 3 j cap. Whenever I write V bar, don't tell me the magnitude. Tell me the full vector. J cap. What is velocity of man?
5 I cap.
Just think and tell.
Minus 5 I cap
Minus 5 I cap. Right?
because it's going in the opposite direction.
Is going towards left. So in Cartesian coordinates, left side is negative. So it is minus 5 I cap. Clear? So what is
Yes, sir.
velocity of rain with respect to man? Velocity of rain minus velocity of man. Clear? Which is equal to, tell me.
Minus 5 I cap. Minus 5 root 3 j cap. Minus
Minus 5 I cap minus 5 root 3 j cap. From this you subtract
minus 5 I cap.
minus 5 I cap. So what remains?
Minus 5 root 3 j cap.
VRM equals to I cap cancels, and only thing that remains is minus 5 root 3 j cap. What does this mean? What does this mean? It has only y component. Clear? That
Yes, sir.
x component is 0. X component is therefore the relative speed is or relative velocity is. Complete the sentence. Bolo. What is the
minus 5 root 3 j cap.
no, that is okay. Minus 5 root 3 a cap. But what is the word? The relative velocity of the rain is
Negative.
no, नेगेटिव छोड़ दो, डायरेक्शन की बात करो.
Vertical.
Very good. Vertical. Correct. Why horizontal component 0 है? X component मतलब क्या?
0.
Horizontal. Y component मतलब क्या?
So vertical.
तो जब horizontal component 0 है, इसका मतलब क्या? Rain is also vertical. So therefore he has to hold his umbrella. कैसे? Vertical.
Vertical.
That is theta equals to what? 0 degrees. Generally, how do we measure theta? We measure theta in theta with vertical direction. तो vertically होगा तो 0 degrees करेगा ना? Clear? Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Why theta is 0?
Yes,
Because
sir.
theta is always measured with vertical. Why theta is measured with vertical? Because generally umbrella is held. तो
Vertical.
वहां से क्या वेरिएशन है वो आप मेजर करोगे. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now do this problem. You do and tell me. This time the man is walking with 10 meters per second. His speed is high. How should he hold his umbrella? In this case. यहाँ पे umbrella कैसे पकड़ा इसने? Vertically.
Vertical, sir. Vertical.
Coincidentally vertical पकड़ना पड़ा, but जरूरी नहीं है कि vertical हमेशा आए.
अच्छा.
ठीक है?
जी sir.
Okay. Now, what about here? Obviously, he is walking very fast, और he is faster than 5, तो obviously ऐसे पकड़ना पड़ेगा कोई direction में. Clear? है क्या नहीं?
हाँ sir.
Now tell me what is that angle? So same problem again. We have to find velocity of rain with respect to man. Now tell me what is velocity of rain? Or it is velocity of rain minus velocity of man. So what is velocity of rain? You already wrote many times, and you should be able
Minus
to
5 I cap.
minus 5 I cap minus 5 root 3
5 root 3 j cap.
j cap minus
Minus 10 I cap.
so let me just write down. Minus 10 I cap. So what will be the answer?
5 I cap minus 5 root 3 j cap.
Plus 5 I cap minus 5 root 3 j cap. Clear? So how will
Yes,
this
sir.
vector? Let us draw this vector now. तो ये वेक्टर कुछ ऐसा होगा, है क्या नहीं? Something like this. Clear? This will be 5 root 3. अच्छा, ये वेक्टर कुछ ऐसे होगा. Let's change it. ये होगा 5 root 3. Do you agree? और ये होगा 5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And this will be the angle with which he has to hold his umbrella. Clear? Okay? Now, tell me what is this angle? What is tan theta equal to?
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
Now, 1 by root 3, we know what angle is 1 by root 3.
30 degrees.
30 degree.
So, till now, we were getting some tan inverse of something because we don't know the values. Now we know the value. So, I can write theta equals to 30 degrees. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So actually we can do these problems in other ways also, but I don't want to go into that because those methods are used by engineering students, or sorry, math students. That too after the completion of a chapter called properties of triangles at the end of trigonometry. That's why I don't want to go into that. So there are certain rules like sine rule, cosine rule, etc., which will be used, which I will not be using now. Anyway, those are also derived from trigonometry only, so nothing fancy about that. Okay, now let me give you one more problem. So now I'm changing the problem a little bit. Okay. Now the velocity is same, 10 meters per second. This is the velocity of rain, but this time angle is we'll change the angle. What should we take the angle as? We'll take it as 60 degrees. Okay. So I'm changing the angle to 60 degrees. Now the question is, with what velocity should the man walk? In which direction and with what magnitude? The man should walk on the ground so that he has to hold his umbrella vertically. Are you getting my question? So now suppose he's standing at rest. At what angle should he hold his umbrella? At rest,
60 degree.
the man must hold his umbrella at 60 degrees with vertical. Agreed? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what must be his speed? What must be his direction and speed? What must be his direction and speed on a horizontal road, on a horizontal ground? I shouldn't say a road. Why? रोड बोलने से क्या गलत हो जाएगा बोलो? When I say road, what's wrong? बोलिए. What is wrong in saying road? Anyone? What is wrong in saying road? रोड बोलने में रॉन्ग क्या है? थोड़ा लॉजिकली सोच के बोलो आंसर. मैंने पहले रोड बोला फिर कट करके ग्राउंड लिखा. Anyone?
No, sir.
So actually road need not be in the left right direction, right? It can be in the front back direction also. It can be at some angle also. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
तो ग्राउंड में अगर वो भागना चाहेगा तो कोई भी डायरेक्शन में भाग पाएगा, बट रोड पे नहीं भाग पाएगा. समझ गए? क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
That is the reason why we cannot write road unless or otherwise road is in left right direction. Clear?
Yes.
तो रेन जरूरी नहीं है ना कि रोड के साथ ही गिरे. समझ गए? रोड से कोई और एंगल पे भी गिर सकती है. क्लियर? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are standing in the direction of road, rain may fall from left to right also. Then you have to run in the left right direction only, not in the front back direction. Clear? Okay, anyway, now tell me, before telling the magnitude of his speed, tell me what should be his direction by logic. अभी तो अम्ब्रेला कैसे होल्ड किया इसने? रेस्ट पे. रेस्ट पे अम्ब्रेला ऐसे होल्ड करेगा ये, है क्या नहीं? ये हो गया रेस्ट पे, क्योंकि रेन इज फॉलिंग फ्रॉम दैट डायरेक्शन. नाउ इन ऑर्डर टू होल्ड हिज अम्ब्रेला वर्टिकली, इन विच डायरेक्शन शुड ही रन? ऐसे होल्ड करना है उसे अम्ब्रेला, तो कौन से डायरेक्शन में रन करना पड़ेगा? लेफ्ट ओनली, राइट? बिकॉज राइट पे अगर भागेगा तो और भी ज्यादा एंगल पे गिरेगा. समझ में आई बात?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, if rain is falling on towards your face, and if you run, the angle will increase. Are you understanding? अगर आपके फेस पे आ रही है रेन towards your face from front, and if you run, it will come at a higher angle, right? और भी ज्यादा आएगा आपके फेस पे, एंगल इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. मतलब अम्ब्रेला को और भी ज्यादा टिल्ट करना पड़ेगा फ्रंट साइड. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But if the rain is falling on the back of your head and if you are running, then the angle of tilt will decrease. है क्या नहीं? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So here, which side should he run? Should he face the rain and run, or should he go away from the rain and run?
Away from the rain and run.
Away from the rain and run. So far as according to us, rain is coming from the right, so he should face towards left, right?
Yes, sir.
राइट हमारा है, मैन का नहीं है. ठीक है, समझ में आई बात? ये लेफ्ट और राइट हमारे लिए है, मैन के लिए फ्रंट और बैक है. ठीक है, तो मैन को कौन सा साइड फेस करना पड़ेगा?
Left side.
लेफ्ट साइड. और उधर जो है ना कुछ वेलोसिटी से जाना पड़ेगा, vm. लेट दैट वेलोसिटी बी vm. ठीक है?
Yes.
So at least the direction we have guessed without doing the problem, but you need not guess the direction also, right? Why? Because when you write in vectors, the vectors in the answer will give you the direction and magnitude both. Clear? So tell me, what is velocity of rain?
Minus 5 root 3 I cap minus 5 j cap.
Velocity of rain is equal to, let us take the components of this. तो ये क्या होगा बोलो? 10 cos 60,
Yes,
ये
sir.
क्या 10
Sin
Sin
60.
60.
sin 60. क्या बोला था आपने आंसर?
Minus 5 root 3 I cap minus 5 j cap.
Yes, correct. Because what is 10 cos 10 sin 60? It is 5 root 3. So it is minus, बोलो 5 root 3
I cap
I cap.
I cap minus
5 j cap.
5 j cap. Why? Because cos 60 is 1 by 2 and 10 into 1 by 2 is 5. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ये आ गया velocity of rain. Velocity of man क्या है?
Vm.
So velocity of man जो है ना, let us take it as we don't know what velocity is, but we surely know that it is horizontal. It is horizontal. तो horizontal है मतलब J component क्या होगा? J component क्या होगा man का?
Zero.
होगा. और X component let us take it as Vm. Okay, into I cap. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So Vm into I cap plus 0 J cap है. क्यों 0 J cap है? क्योंकि man cannot walk in any direction other than horizontal because ground is horizontal. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now tell me, what is velocity of rain with respect to man? Velocity of rain minus velocity of man. कितना आएगा बोलो? Minus 5 root 3. बोलो.
Minus 5 j cap.
No. First, tell the components of I. Minus 5 root 3.
I cap.
I cap.
No. Minus Vm
I cap.
into I.
Yes, sir.
Now tell the components of J.
Minus 5 j cap.
5 J cap. Correct? Now for this to be, so for holding umbrella vertically, tell me, what is the condition? The direction of VRM must be vertical. ठीक है? Do you agree? Do you agree? That is, अगर रिलेटिव स्पीड वर्टिकल होगी तो अम्ब्रेला भी वर्टिकली होल्ड करेगा ना, है कि नहीं? That is the horizontal component. बोलो. Of VRM must be, tell me. 0. Why? 0 होगा तो वर्टिकल होगा ना, नहीं तो हॉरिजॉन्टल भी होगा तो कुछ स्लैंट में आ जाएगा, इंक्लाइंड आ जाएगा. क्लियर? तो व्हाट इज हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट? minus 5 root 3
Minus Vm.
must be equal to 0. है नहीं? So what is Vm equal to?
5 root 3.
5 root 3. So what is velocity of man?
5 root 3.
One second. Yeah. Okay. Is there a mistake here in the second step? Now it is correct, right? Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Therefore, what is velocity of man? Minus 5 root 3 I cap. As expected, the answer is towards Bolo.
Left.
Horizon.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, there is one more concept of. Okay, let me just give you with an example. Suppose there is a truck. Now, suppose this truck is moving with some speed towards forward direction. Just let me. Suppose this truck is moving in this direction with 10 meters per second. Clear? Now suppose there is a man standing on the truck and the man is moving with respect to truck with 5 meters per second. Are you getting my point? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now there is ground here on which you are standing. You are standing on ground and watching everything. So you are standing on ground and watching here. Okay. Now according to you, what will be the velocity of man with respect to ground? So this is man. This is truck. Okay. So I'm just writing. Velocity of truck is how much?
10.
10 meters per second. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So let me just write it as Vt just for simplicity. Clear? And what is velocity of man with respect to truck? So it is
5.
Vm. It is VMT, right? Velocity of man
Yes,
with
sir.
respect to truck. So it is 5 meters per second plus or minus. Both are plus. Why?
In the same direction.
Both are in the right direction. That's why right direction everything is positive. Clear? These two terms very clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
what-
why have we taken TMT?
No. VMT. It is VMT. VMT. Now, what is velocity of man with respect to ground? This is the velocity of man with respect to ground. Do you agree? So this is the question. So how to find that? It is quite easy because we have VMT. What is VMT?
5 meter per second.
No, it is Vm minus Vt.
Vt.
Clear? That means what is VMT equal to? We already know. It is 5. What is Vm? We need to find out. And what is Vt? 10.
10.
So what is Vm equal to? 15 meters per second. And it makes sense, right? Suppose truck is moving with 10 and the man is moving with 5. So overall he will have a velocity of 15 because both will add up because both are in same direction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So don't get this confused with relative velocity. Clear? In relative velocity, you subtract the velocity. And when one man is walking on some other thing that is moving with some velocity, you add the velocities. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Again.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this simple thing you remember because you don't want to do this again and again. ये बार बार करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए. आप सिर्फ याद रखो कि अगर एक आदमी दूसरे ट्रक पे या किसी चीज पे मूव कर रहा है तो दोनों की ऐड करना पड़ेगा विद रेस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड निकालने के लिए। समझ में आई बात? सपोज ये 5 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड इस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, तो व्हाट विल बी द वेलोसिटी ऑफ मैन विद रेस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड? एंड व्हाट इज दिस? This is with respect to truck. This is always with respect to truck. Clear? This is with respect to truck, क्योंकि ट्रक पे वो चल रहा है। ठीक है। Now, velocity of man with respect to ground will be 5 meters per second towards right. Do you agree? Clear? ये 15 meters per second towards right. Agreed? है क्या नहीं? Clear?
Yes, sir.
What about this? Suppose ये जा रहा है 15 meters per second से, suppose. What will be the velocity of man with respect to ground? It will be 5 meters per second towards
Left.
huh? Left. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ये समझ में आ गया यहाँ पे? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at this. Suppose there is a river. Suppose there is a river. So just let me just write down in blue color. Suppose ये river है. Now suppose the river is flowing towards right. River is flowing towards right with some velocity. This is moving towards right with some velocity, say 5 meters per second. Okay? This is velocity of river. And there is a boat moving on the river. There is a boat moving on the river. Suppose there is a boat moving on the river. With 10 meters per second, suppose. Either 10 meters per second. What is this velocity 10 meters per second? It is with respect to what?
River.
River. 10 meters per second with respect to river. So what will be the velocity of boat with respect to river is 10 meters. What will be the velocity of boat with respect to ground? How to do this? It's easy. First write down what is velocity of river. This time because the motion is in two dimensions. What is velocity of river?
Sir, the boat is moving upwards.
How will the boat move upwards? Tell me.
Sir, why that direction is pointing upwards?
Because you are watching from the top.
Oh, sir, it's in the front direction.
Sorry?
It's in the front direction, actually.
Just imagine that it is in north direction and the river is flowing in the east direction. Clear?
Okay, sir. Okay.
So this is top view. Okay. Now tell me. So VR is what? 5 I cap according to Cartesian coordinates. And what is VBR? Tell me. 10 J cap. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So according to our definition, what is VBR? Minus VR. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is VB? But VR we already know, right? Tell me what is VR?
5 I cap.
5 I cap.
10 J cap plus 5 I cap.
I
Clear?
cap.
So what is this VB? Velocity of boat with respect to ground. Clear?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how will be 5 I cap plus 10 J cap? Tell me. Something like this. Do you agree? This is 5 I cap. Okay, that's me right now in blue color. This is 5 I cap. And this boat is how much? 10 J cap. What about this pink vector? It is 5 I cap plus 10 J cap.
10 J
Are you
cap.
understanding?
Yes, sir.
See, the boat will go in this direction overall. Why? Because the engine of the boat is pulling it in this direction, the river is pulling it in this direction. So overall the boat will go in this direction. Clear?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting my point? तो ओवरऑल वेलोसिटी इस डायरेक्शन में आएगी बोट की. समझ गए? तो क्या करना है? सिंपली add the velocity of river with respect to boat to velocity of river with respect to ground. You'll get the velocity of boat with respect to river, ground. Clear? I'm just so velocity of boat, with respect to ground is the sum of, or the vector sum of, is the vector sum of velocity of boat with respect to river and velocity of river
With respect to ground.
with respect to ground. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it is same as the truck situation, but here it is in 2 dimension. The truck was in 1 dimension. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now I'll give you one example. You know what elevator is, right? Escalator is, right?
Yes, sir.
The man can an escalator moves up. If turn on. Clear? एस्केलेटर अगर ऑन करेंगे तो ऊपर ले जाएगा. ठीक है? A man can go up the escalator walking on it in 30 seconds. He can go down the accelerator walking on it इन ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा क्या कम टाइम लगेगा? ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा कि कम टाइम लगेगा?
More
मोर लगेगा, क्यों?
because the escalator is going up.
Because escalator is going up, so here escalator is helping him, here escalator is against him, correct? If the same escalator is turned off, what time does it take for the man to cross it? Tell me, how to do this problem? It is easy. What is time equal to? Distance by speed. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
तो पहले 30 कैसे लिखोगे? 30 equals to distance s by, when he's going up the escalator, is the speed of the escalator helping him or against him? Helping him. So it will be velocity of man plus velocity of escalator. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
And 90 will be equal to same distance by this time. Escalator will help him or is it against him? It is
Against.
against. So velocity will decrease. Clear? Now according to these two, we need to find what? We need to find this, right? We need to find time equals to s by what? If the escalator is at rest, it will be solely velocity of man. There will be no VE. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So what is the term missing here? VE. So our job is to eliminate VE. Correct? How to do it? It's quite easy. Just rearrange the equations. So I'll write 30 by s equal to, tell me 30 by s क्या होगा इधर? और Vm plus VE क्या होगा?
S by 30.
s by 30. और यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Vm minus VE क्या होगा?
S by 90.
S by 90. So how to eliminate V using these two equations? कैसे eliminate करें?
Add these equation.
Add both equations.
Subtract.
Add करने से क्या होगा? ऐड करो 2Vm equals to S by 30 plus S by 90. Clear? So what is Vm equal to? S common ले लो 1 by 30
Plus 1 by 90.
plus 1 by 90 और क्या आएगा?
Divided by
Divide
2.
by 2.
ठीक है 2 इधर ही लिख दो चलेगा. हमें चाहिए क्या? S by Vm चाहिए ना? क्या चाहिए? S by Vm चाहिए ना? है क्या नहीं? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So S by Vm equal to what? 2 into 90 into 30 by 90
90
plus.
plus 30.
तो सॉल्व करो कितना आएगा? 120, right? Okay. So 4 to 45. What is S by VM answer?
45.
45 what? "45 seconds. As expected, answer is between 90 and 30. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay. I'll share the exercise file by evening, hopefully. You just start doing. And if you find the problems of rain umbrella in the old assignment, you just try to complete them. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.